Hi, it is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is Sierra making silly, funny faces at dinner. Hi, Sierra. Hey, girl, blow me kisses. Blow kisses. There you go. Blow me some more kisses. Blow more kisses. Blow. Uh-oh. Look at me. Sierra, look at me and blow kisses. Blow me kisses. I love it. All right, and this is her big brother, Alex. Hi, Alex. Wave to the camera. You want to blow me kisses too? Oh, I love it.
And me.
Hi.
Let me see.
She's such a funny girl.
Let me see.
Alex, stop, honey. Can you wave bye-bye, Sierra? Whoa, you're being all crazy. Are you eating still? Can you blow me kisses again? Sierra, blow kisses. Sierra, blow kisses. Oh, that was a great blow kiss. Good job. Blow kisses. Oh, good job. Oh, good job. And there's Sierra grabbing for her milk, smiling for the camera. Alexander, stop. What are you doing? I'm trying to get your sister. Move out of the way, baby. Move out of the way. Thank you. And there's your sister drinking her milk. Ah! Can you say mama? What? Say again?
Mama.
Mama. Mama. I love it. Hi. Now it's after dinner. Sierra, come here. Sierra. I need you to come show me how fast you can walk. Can you come over here? Oh, there she goes. Walking super fast. Walking so fast. Walking real fast. Good job, girl. Okay, and we're recording yet again. Here's Sierra. Hey, that's pretty unusual. And there's Alex, always wanting to be in the camera shot. And there goes Sierra going after Alex's toys. She's running, she's running, she's running, she's running. And she has it. And Alex is taking it away from her. Alex, you always want to be in the picture now, huh? All right, what is that weird panting, kiddo? Oh, good throw of the ball. Alex, you just hit me in the back. Throw. Good throw, Sierra.
Alex, have you finished eating? Oh, you didn't finish your carrot? No games tonight.
Ooh, good throw.